Hey everyone! If you want a secure place to store and share your files online, creating a Mega account is a great place to start. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Mega account step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Mega website. On the home page, click the Create Account button to begin. Next, enter your first name, last name, email address, and create a strong password. Then confirm your password to make sure it matches. Now read the terms of service and privacy policy if you'd like, then check the box to agree to them before continuing. Once you've filled in everything, click Create Account. Mega will send a verification email to the address you provided. After that, open your email inbox and look for the verification message from Mega. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. So click the verification link in the email to activate your account. Once your email is confirmed, sign in using your new credentials. Finally, complete any optional setup steps, like adding a recovery key or enabling two-factor authentication for extra security. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully created a Mega account. Now you're ready to upload, store, and securely share your files from anywhere. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.